How often have we seen a student know how to do the maths but got lost in the reading comprehension of a question? Being able to unpack worded problems is central to great results in mathematics. Worded problems can sink a math lesson before it starts. Too hard, too few, slapped in at random, and when 25 students get stuck and there's only one of you to unstick them, your class can turn into chaos. That's why when as a team with 60 plus years of math classroom teaching experience, we really focus on this as we've been there. Every chapter delivers 5 carefully sequenced worded questions that start simple, build skills, and finish at full exam complexity. If a student hits a wall, we have color-coded deconstruction steps. At the back of every book, we unpack each problem exactly the way you would on the board, highlighting key information, translating language to maths, and mapping the path to the answer. No guesswork, no wasted hand-in-the-air minutes, and no, it's too hard, I quit. Students keep their momentum, own their learning, and master the literacy that is true currency of mathematics. This gives you more flexibility and can be super useful if you're teaching out of field too. We wanted to make sure every worded problem can be a solved problem so your students can succeed in math.